Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis world. Most of the non-veg lovers would be waiting for Sunday to cook something special. Out of all non-veg recipes which we make, fish is the most healthiest food with less fat and high protein. Today we are going to cook Pomfret fish recipe in a very simple and easy way with less oil. It is always recommended to have wider kadai when we cook fish, as fish is very soft and it will get easily broken in the smaller vessels. Friends, here I am adding less oil to keep it as healthy as possible. If you prefer more oil, you can add according to your taste. As we all know, turmeric has got very good benefits, but also it gives lot of heat to our body. So always cook turmeric for at least 30 seconds on medium flame to reduce overheat to our body. To have more gravy, I am using 2 medium onions. If you prefer less gravy, you can reduce accordingly. While onions are getting cooked, let me tell you something quickly. We live in USA and here it is really difficult to get fresh fish like back in India. Also, we get very few varieties of fish that we are used to. We really miss our katla, koramin, bomadilu, methallu, etc. Very few Indian varieties of fish we get here are pomfret, mackerel, shark, kingfish, and rest of them we get frozen, but really not that tasty. I am adding 1 tablespoon of chilli powder for medium spice. If you prefer more spice, you can add 1 more teaspoon. Friends, always cook spices for a minute on a low flame before adding any liquids like water or tomato puree to get the nice flavor to the curry. After a minute on low flame, spices must be well cooked. Now you can add 2 medium-sized cut tomatoes or a puree is preferable to cook faster. Friends, let's talk while tomato puree is cooking. Did you ever try milkfish? I'm not sure it is available in our India or not, but we love that fish as it is so soft and literally melts in our mouth. You can find the recipe in our channel. I'll provide the link in the description box below or in the suggestion card above. Onion tomato mixture is cooked and little oil is oozing out. Now it's time to add fish. But before adding fish, let me tell you how to clean fish to get rid of smell it has got. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, some salt and rub the mixture to the fish gently and let it sit for 10 minutes before cleaning with water. Now let's add fish and make sure fish touches the pan to fry properly. Cook 2 minutes on medium flame and gently turn to the other side. Add little water to avoid burning and cook 2 more minutes on medium flame. By now, fish must be well fried on both sides. Now add 1.5 cups of water or more as per your required gravy consistency. Gently mix the gravy without using spatula to avoid breaking of fish. Now let the fish cook for just 5 minutes in gravy on medium flame as this fish doesn't take much time to cook. Let's add fish masala. Here I am using homemade fish masala, but you can also use store-bought fish masala. I'll be coming up with a video on how to make homemade fish masala soon. Cook masala for 5 more minutes on medium flame before garnishing. I always prefer to use curry leaves in most of my cooking as it is very nutritious and beneficial to our health. Friends, curry leaves are not only healthy but also they provide some special flavor to any kind of gravies. Finally, let's garnish with some coriander leaves and switch off the stove. You can just see how tempting and mouth-watering the dish turned out to be. I'm sure you'll try this recipe and enjoy the same delicious taste and make your Sunday very special. If you like our videos, please do like, share and subscribe Gruhinis World and don't forget to share your comments with me. Thank you.